Are you suffering from back pain? Stop doing the most common exercise, and I'm going to show you some replacement exercises to help you get over back pain. Athletic power and performance. Restoring the athlete within. Your time is now. What's up, everybody? This is Aaron Robinette from athleticpowerandperformance.com. If you're new to the channel and you want to restore your wellness, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that we can help you get in your best shape ever. There are many challenges with the floor crunch exercise. The first being, as you train your abdominals, you should train your abdominals to stabilize your body. As you can see with the floor crunch, the floor provides the stabilization, which means your abdominals are not being trained to stabilize your body. The second part is using the floor crunch as an exercise. It has a reduced range of motion, which again presents a whole bunch of problems. I'm simply going to point out one right here, which is the reduced range of motion actually causes a postural default. As you crunch forward, as you notice the range of motion in this exercise, it'll cause your posture to bring your shoulders and your head forward in a shortened range of motion. This is very problematic for sports and any other movement. Performing this exercise, this is going to take a 4-step process. You want to lay over the Swiss ball face up with your back in contact with the ball the entire time. You want to open up from your pelvis to your ribs and then also allow your head to rest all the way back on the ball. Place your fingertips in your ears and make sure your tongue is on the roof of your mouth. Your first movement is you're going to bring your chin up towards your chest. Your next movement, you're going to bring your ribs towards your pelvis. At that point, you're going to reverse this by opening up the area between your ribs and pelvis back. And then the final movement is placing your head back on the ball. This is the lower abdominal series. So we're going to start with the lower abdominal series number 1. And what this does, the purpose of this is to balance the hip flexors and the lower abdominals. In almost everyone I assess, the lower abdominals are weak and the hip flexors overtake the exercise and really wreak havoc on the lower back with lower back pain and with performance and with posture. Using this exercise really develops the lower abdominals, reduces the effect of the hip flexor till you can balance it out and have the hip flexor and the lower abdominals work together. To start this exercise, you want to place your hand underneath your low back at your belly button level. You want the thickest part of your hand right at the apex of your low back. Make sure to pull your belly button in towards your spine. You want to apply pressure on your hand with your back. Apply steady, firm pressure, but do not crush your hand. As you hold that pressure during the entire exercise, you simply want to lift one leg up with your knee slightly bent. Keep your knee fixed in that position and set the heel down on the ground. Just touch the heel down and raise it back up. Perform all the repetitions on one side. Again, perform all the repetitions on the other side. The next level of this exercise is to actually have your leg a little bit straighter but still bent. Keep your leg in that straightened but still bent position. Keep it fixed in that position and lift your leg up, and again set your heel, just touch it to the ground and then back up. The next level to this exercise is performing a repetition on one side and then on the other side while having your feet off the ground slightly in between repetitions. So you're going to lift one leg up. As you're setting that leg down, raise the other leg up. The next level to this exercise is bringing both legs up, knees bent. Again, make sure you apply pressure with your back onto your hand, but don't crush your hand. And you're going to keep one leg up as you set your heel down. As you lift that leg up, you're going to set the other heel down, alternating sides. The final level to this exercise that I'm showing you at this point is using both legs at the same time. You're going to start with both legs on the ground. Again, same procedure, making sure your back is putting pressure on your hand. Bring both legs up at the same time, both legs down at the same time. Sit in a comfortable position. Lean back as far as you comfortably can. The further back you can lean back, the more tension you put on your abdominals. The closer in you hold it, the easier the exercise is. The further away from your body, the more challenging the exercise is. As you sit in upright posture, lean to where you're going to be in position. You got to rotate side to side for the number of reps. It's going to be an oblique tubing rotation. Stand right here and rotate through. This will be a tubing single arm press with a rotation. You're going to stand right here, and what we're going to do is we're going to turn, rotate through, like that. This will be a tubing rotation with a row. You're going to stand in a split squat and just pull right there. If you're looking for more ideas to kick your workouts up to the next level, or you need more support to restore your wellness, either message me directly or go check out my website at athleticpowerandperformance.com.